High Court and Court of Appeal. The High Court is organized into three divisions: the Queen's Bench Division, the Chancery Division, and the Family Division. First of all, the Queen's Bench Division has two roles, in that it hears a wide range of contract law and personal injury general negligence cases, but also has special responsibility as a supervisory court. Until 2005, the head of the Queen's Bench Division was the Lord Chief Justice. Then a new post of the President of the Queen's Bench Division was created under the provision of the Constitutional Reform Act of 2005, leaving the Lord Chief Justice as the President of the Court of England and Wales, head of the Judiciary of England and Wales, and head of criminal justice. The Queen's Bench Division has a supervisory jurisdiction over all inferior courts, and its administrative court is generally the appropriate legal forum where the validity of an official decision may be challenged. Generally, unless specific appeal process are provided, the validity of any decision of a government minister, inferior court, tribunal, local authority, or official body may be challenged by someone with sufficient interest by judicial review in the administrative court of the Queen's Bench Division. A single judge first decides whether the matter is fit to bring to the court to filter out frivolous or unarguable cases, and if so, the matter is allowed to go forward to a full judicial review hearing with one or more judges. In addition, the Queen's Bench Division courts hears appeals on point of law from the Magistrates' Court and from the Crown Court. Other specialized courts of the Queen's Bench Division include Technology and Construction Court, Commercial Court, and Admiralty Court. The specialized judges and the procedures of these courts are somewhat tailored to their type of business. Appeals from the High Court in civil matters are made to the Civil Division of the Court of Appeal. In criminal matters, appeal from the Divisional Court are made only to the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom. The Chancery Division deals with business law, trust law, probate law, insolvency, and land law in relation to issues of equity. It has specialist courts, the Patent Court and the Companies Courts, which deal with patents and registered designs and company law matters respectively. All tax appeals are assigned to the Chancery Division. The head of the Chancery Division was known as the Vice-Chancellor until October 2005, when the title was changed by the Constitutional Reform Act 2005 to Chancellor of the High Court. Appeals from first instance decisions in the High Court and county courts go to Civil Division of the Court of Appeal. And the appeals against convictions or sentences from the Crown Court goes to the Criminal Division of the Court of Appeal. The Civil Division deals with all non-criminal cases and has been part of the court since its establishment in 1875. The Civil Division is bound by the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom when making decisions, and it is normally bound by its own previous decisions with 4 exceptions, where the previous decision was made without the judges knowing of a particular law, where there are 2 previous conflicting decisions, where there is a later conflicting Supreme Court or a House of Lords decision, and where a law was assumed to exist in a previous case but did not. The Civil Division is led by the Master of Rolls, assisted by the Vice President of the Civil Division. The division hears cases from the High Court of Justice, county courts, and several tribunals. The Criminal Division was established in 1966 with the merger of the Court of Criminal Appeal into the Court of Appeal. It hears all appeals from the Crown Court which are in connection with a trial or indictment, that is, with a jury, and where the Crown Court has sentenced a defendant committed from the Magistrates' Court. It also exercises the jurisdiction to order the issue of writs of venire de novo, which is a judicial order for a new trial after the first trial is declared a mistrial due to a fundamental or gross irregularity, such as where the case was outside of the court's jurisdiction. The Criminal Division, while bound by the Supreme Court, is more flexible with binding itself due to the heightened stakes in a case where a possible penalty is a prison sentence. The division is led by the Lord Chief Justice, assisted by the Vice President of the Criminal Division.